What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. Today is Monday. We're heading down to the shop. Which is a good day. If you see my last video, you know that coronavirus has shut down my shop. The landlord did not want us to open up. Long story short, we're getting back on our feet again, getting the ball rolling again. So we're heading down there. We have a few projects going on that I'd like to show you guys, and if you guys do know, I'll save it till we get there. But I hope everyone's doing well. Hope everyone's staying safe, staying healthy. 2020 is, how do I put it? Just 2020. We got protests, we got these riots, we got all sorts of stuff going on in this world right now, and I hope everyone's just doing their thing, you know, making it through if you're trying to survive, whatever. I hope everyone's doing well, but as I said, heading down to the shop. Let's get things going. When I get there, I'll start recording what kind of projects we got going on and what we're be doing, what the main purpose of this video is. But for now, stick around. I'll see you guys when I get there. Good morning, beautiful. Alright, we're at the shop. Let's open up the doors here, see what we got outside. Probably should have unleashed that. Pull this baby open. Alright. So right now our next step is to open up a sort of in-house detail spot, just so we don't have to bring the trailer here every single time. So I want to set up a little cart here, hook it up to some spotless water filters. We got all our product over there. As you can see, we got the 5 gallons, we got the gallons up there, all sorts of towels and stuff being organized. So trying to make this trailer into the shop is our next step. Alright, so the first project we got going on right now is this Audi A4. It's a 2019. It's infrared one-step correction and sealant. We're not going to be doing a coating on this thing, but if we can get some light on it, let's see what the sun is. There's a few swirls and scratches, nothing too crazy. You can see some towel marring right there. Some bird dropping that probably edged through. The sun's not really out right now, but when I pull in the shop, I'll show you guys more of what we're going to do and how we're going to tackle on this project. Like I said, we got Chris's truck inside. If you guys don't know who Chris is, go to D-Max Rhino's channel. I'll put his link down below. You'll see a lot about this truck. If you're interested on it, I'll put the Instagram link down below as well. But for now, let's get going on this thing. Jacob's going to get the water ready. We're going to do a full pre-rinse, iron X, remove any decomposites. We're going to do a clay bar, pull it in, start the correcting, and apply the sealant. And the sealant that we're going to be using on this is Adam's ceramic wax. Stronger than a premium buttery wax, but it's also not as strong as a ceramic coating. But it's a great sealant for if you're just trying to maintain your vehicle and applying the monthly wax, of course. It's not a ceramic coating, so don't let that fool you. Alright guys, we got the Audi pulled in the shop. We've been working on it now for about like an hour and a half. And we're doing a one-step correction as I mentioned before. And a one-step correction means one pad, one compound, and one pass. So the way that works is you're not trying to sell them on a full multi-stage correction. You're not guaranteeing perfect results. You're not trying to achieve perfect results. A one-step correction is our level 2 detail, which includes either a 1-year sealant or a 5-year ceramic coating, depending on what the customer wants. On this vehicle, we're doing the 1-year sealant. So what we're doing right now is prepping it for that sealant. And after looking at the paint, you can see that it was very bad. So let's go over the trunk right here where we have it done. You can see all sorts of defects. There's very deep scratches in this thing. So 2019 as well, so keep that in mind. And right here you can see that we already polished out this side. And it looks much, much better. I mean, look at that. World of a difference. So this is not perfect as I mentioned, and that's not what we're going for, but it's pretty close just for one step. And the tricky thing with the one-step correction is not trying to cut too much to where you get haze. Like on the test spot that we did right here, we used a microfiber cutting pad instead of a foam pad, and with that microfiber cutting pad it left a very hazy finish, aka this truck right here has been one step with a microfiber padding. You can see how hazy that is. Excuse me. Guys, if you do paint correcting, you want to minimize dust, use this bucket of some sort. If you want to minimize dust in your shop, or if you're detailing your house or something, use a bucket full of water to clean out your padding. Because we had an issue at the shop where everything was just so dusty. Like the cars were getting dusty, it was just working twice. And we figured, let's just clean the pads and the dust. And I mean, look at all that compound and residue already. This is not, we're not even done with this car yet. This is not a messy job either. This is just the one step, so it's supposed to be easy, quick, and done. Let's do a little test spot right here. How are we looking? Oh, wow. Look at that. Guys, be careful on bumpers. They're plastic, as for the painted panels are metal. So
I learned my lesson, so.
Yeah, we had a little issue previously. Learned the hard way. So guys, when working on bumpers, remember, plastic heats up much quicker than aluminum panels. So when doing a bumper, rear bumper, front bumper, drop down your aggression. So whatever you're using on the paint, do not use on the bumper. If you're using a compound, use a polish. If you're using the cutting pad, use a finishing pad. And you'll still get the same results. You don't gotta cut too hard, you don't wanna be too aggressive. Same goes for these pillars right here, which is next. These might be headaches, these might be very easy, we don't know yet, but we're getting it done. We still have a lot more cars to do. We got an F450 I dropped off. Let's go outside and show you guys that. So we got the Audi, single stage, Chris's truck. We don't know how many stages that thing's gonna need. We're gonna do some test spots and figure it out. We got this F450 dually in for a new car protection detail. We're gonna do a one-step correction, iron removal, and we're gonna ceramic coat the paint for 5 years. And the goal for a new vehicle, like this is brand new right off the lot, and what we're gonna want to be doing to this thing is get it protected, so in the future, all it's gonna do is require some basic maintenance. You don't gotta wax it, you don't gotta worry about all that BS stuff taking your time out of your day. So one, putting a ceramic coating. So yeah, on this car we're doing a sealant, but that truck we're doing a coating, and that truck we're doing a coating. And the benefit of a ceramic coating is your car stays cleaner for longer, stuff doesn't stick to it as well, aka bird droppings, water spots, any sort of thing like that that will normally go right through a wax will not stick to a coating. So we got the hood all polished up here, looking much better, world of a difference. I don't know where this person washed their car at, but man, for 2019 this thing was pretty bad. Like the scratches were deep, they're not just surface. So doing a one step was a little bit tricky here. We've tried 3 different combinations and we landed on blue HDO foam and Shine Supply Classic Cut, my go-to for a lot of one steps. Sir, you cannot be smoking in this facility.
Bro, get it over here.
It's like a cloud, bro. Don't want to get the AC vents. Alright, so we got a lot of work ahead of us. We got to still finish up this Audi. That's got to be delivered by tomorrow morning. We got to start on this truck, which is going to be a lot of work. The F450 shouldn't be too bad considering the color that it is, and that is fairly new. No one's really touched it yet besides the dealership. So I'm pretty good on working on dealership scratches. As far as this thing, I don't know where it's been, as I said. But we're gonna fix up this guy's truck. So we're gonna fix up the mess on this truck, finish up what the previous detailers did. I mean, guys, paint correcting is not easy. Even if you buy all the right tools and supplies, it's not easy. I mean, look, like that's, come on. No bueno. No bueno.
No bueno. Bueno? No bueno.
No bueno? Bueno. We got some organization going on too. I mean, look at all these towels. This is like towel porn for all these details out there. We got the 5-gallon products from All by Adams. We got the 1-gallon products by Shine Supply. Got our ceramic coatings that we've previously used and new ones. We got to stock up on some of those. We're still working though. I want to build a shelf here. So I want to build a shelf right there to organize all my towels and stuff. I want to put them inside some sort of cover, protect them from all sort of dust. We got brand new towels right here, all from the Rag Company. Eagle Edges 500s. I got them red. With the waffle weave towels. These are used for glass in my shop. We have all sorts of stuff going on right now. And this quarantine stuff did hit us pretty hard. So remember, we started this shop up in January. We had big plans. The ball was rolling. New clients, new customers, all big jobs. And then Corona happened. And then now there's protests, and now it's just never ending. So 2020 is not looking so well. Might just scratch it off in the books completely, but we're still doing some work, which is good. So we got the ball kind of rolling again. I mean, it's already June, so we're not that far behind in this 2020 stuff, but hopefully it all flows over. Everyone starts to forget what happened, and we can get the ball back on its feet.
Ball's not on feet.
We're gonna get the ball back on the roll.
Thanks, man. Hey.
You suck.
What do you want me to say, bro?
Talk?
You're talking about random shit, man.
I just talk.
No. What we say? Same shit. Oh, we got the Audi here. We got the Ford out there. We got a piece of shit on the right.
Oof, Chris. Alright, so we got a lot of work ahead of us here. So time to put the camera down, get back to work, and I'll see you guys later. Alright guys, so the Audi is now finished being corrected and polished. So now what we're gonna do is pull it outside, get it all washed up, because if you guys look closely here, there's a lot of compounding dust. And what that dust will do when you're applying the wax, it'll scratch the paint again. So it's a very fine abrasive that you do not want in the paint while applying a wax. And guys, look at the paint right now. Like, this thing is flawless off of a single stage paint correction. So what we're gonna do is, as I said, is pull it out, wash it up, bring it back in, dry it all up, remove all the dust from all the cracks and crevices, apply our sealant, and it's gonna be ready for delivery.
In 2 hours, it's dark probably.
Alright guys, the Audi is now completed. We just finished up our level 2 exterior detail with the protection package. And like I mentioned before, we just did a one-step correction. As you guys can see, this paint is flawless right now. And we topped it off with a paint sealant, which if properly maintained should last up to a year. Chances are, depending on how this customer is, I like to try to follow up with them and keep them on the maintenance plan, but if I don't hear from them, I try to reach out, and if I don't, then there's nothing more that I can do. But the 1-year protection is, I've seen it work. As for this one, we're doing the 5-year coating. Same goes for that though, maintenance wise. But this thing came out amazing. Time to deliver it. Customer's gonna be heading here in about 30 minutes. Pull it out for them, let them see it before the sun goes down.
Chick-fil-A in and out. What else should we get, guys? Comment and then comment down below for tomorrow.
The issue with us coming to the shop all day like this is we eat out every single day, probably twice a day, and it's not good, no bueno. We're trying to figure out what we can do. We can meal prep, we have a barbecue here, maybe start barbecuing, I don't know. We gotta figure something out though so we don't start eating out every single day. So that's gonna wrap up this video for today. If you guys did like this video, give me a nice thumbs up, press subscribe, stick around for more detailing clips. Leave a comment down below what you guys want to see about the shop, any sort of future detailing videos. Feel free to leave some comments. But that is it for today. I want to start that truck, might start a part 2 video. Then I want to work on that truck at the same time. So we have some more videos coming your way. Stay tuned. See you guys next time. Peace out.
Peace out. Peace out. Peace out.